Well, hello. I am so happy y'all tuned back in to come check your girl out on her new channel. I'm so excited. Anyway, look. So this is the look we're doing today. It is a really pretty burgundy red, orange, golden type of look. You know, something special when you're going out. Anyway, I want to give you guys a show of what we're going to be using tonight. So tonight we're going to be using the Fetish palette by Kat Von D. Definitely one of my favorites. But we're only going to use one color out of this. Okay? We're going to use those tonight. We're going to use the Jackie Hill palette. Definitely a fave. It's got all the beautiful reds and pinks and oranges and golds. So we're going to use a little bit of that tonight as well. And we're going to also use some eye insurance. Got all of them. You guys love the set. Okay, one of my favorites. I love all the colors. One's like an iridescent. One is just a basic eye insurance. These last up to 24 hours, so your makeup gonna look just like this tomorrow, girl. You can rock it for one whole day. All right, this one doesn't have that little shine, and this is just the glue. I highly suggest you all get your hands on these because I love them. They my babies. So anyway, we are going to start with an eye primer today. So this is going to be the one that we start with. Okay, so I've already went ahead and put my little concealer over my eye already, as you can see. And I did the under eye already. So I'm just going to show you how to do the top. Let's go. Alright guys, so look, I went ahead and added the burgundy, and I went ahead and added the red from the Jackie Hill palette. So now I'm just adding the orange on the ends here, as you can see. So we get that orange on in there, and then we're going to blend it. Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and blend it. Going to push it up, back a little. Just a little soft back and forth action, babes. Nothing serious. So now y'all see how to do this. I'm going to be right back, okay? I just want to make sure y'all got that down. So just blend a little. Okay, now look. So I got my eye tape on. So we're going to blend it all the way out, okay? So y'all know I love these. Y'all saw me do this the other day. So we're just going to blend it all the way on out. All right. At this point, we're going to be using the light orange. Use the lightest one in the palette. Okay, this was like a orangish peach color, as you can see. So we're just going to pull that on out, like so. Just pull it on out, okay? All right, and I hope y'all know how to cut creases, because we're going to cut a crease, but I want y'all to see that, okay? And now we're going to cut the crease, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Hold on. All right, look, so y'all don't need a lot. You need about that much, just a little. And I like to put that on my hand and just take what I need. So we're just going to cut the crease on here a little. Bring my mirror a little closer. I get closer to y'all. We're just going to go all up in that thing. I like to pull my eye back just a little bit. All right, now we're going to bring it down. And we do just to cover the whole eye. Make sure it's nice and smooth. All right, take it all the way to the bottom. All right, y'all got it? Okay. All right, I'm back. So guys, look, now now that we have the eye covered with our eye makeup, we're gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of this, okay? We're gonna take a little powder and we're just gonna spread it on the eye, okay? Okay, now that we got that done, now we're gonna start using this lovely burgundy that I showed you from that Kat Von D palette. So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. All right, so just gonna put a little on the inside here. Again, I love to pull my eye back. Gotta get it all up in there, right? Now, I got another color that looks very similar to this color. And it's going to be back in our Jackie Hill palette. So, we're going to go get it. Now, while you're here, you can go ahead and do that bottom half if you like. So, if you want, you can go ahead and hit this bottom. Just a little, like that. Okay, now we're going to go into this other color. If you have the Jackie Hill palette, the color we're using now is Empowered. Okay, that's the name of it. So, and all the names are labeled inside the palette. Alright, so you just put a little bit of that on. They're similar, but this one just a tad bit lighter than the other one. Okay. And now we're just going to pack our other colors on, okay? So I'm going to put them all on just a little bit, and then we're going to blend them, and I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? All right. I hope y'all can see that really, really well, okay? Hopefully you can. Now, I use the really, really, really light orange that I have to put here in the corner. It's like almost like a peachish orange, as you can see. And we're going to bring that all the way across. And now we're going to go ahead and blend all the colors because they're just really straight lines, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and blend them together. Just go over it. Okay. Little back and forth action never hurt nobody. Just go on back and forth with your bad self because you about to pull this look off tonight and you about to be looking fierce, girl. All right, so there we go. We got that done. Yes, we looking lovely. Okay, I didn't tell y'all about this other Kat Von D color I like to use. Now this is Kat Von D. What is this? Tesoro Gold. I just love it. So you're only gonna need a little bit of this though. So I like to use it. I like to use it with a brush like this. Hopefully y'all can see that. All right, so we're just gonna dip a little bit in. And hopefully you got a steady hand, because, I mean, you got to have a steady hand to pull this off. So, but practice makes perfect, so don't ever give up. All right, so I want to make sure I'm close for y'all. So, we'll go right here, almost in the middle of the eye, and we're going to bring it all the way down. All right, and you just go on till you feel like you have enough. Okay, I'm going to add just a little bit more to make my line just a tad bit thicker. I want my eyes to pop, you know what I mean? I know, I'm a little quiet. I'm sorry. Gotta concentrate, you know? I'm going to bring it all the way down. All right, that's perfect. So hopefully yours looks a little bit like mine, okay? We'll get it going. Get it going, okay. Let's pull this eye patch off. See what you got there. Should have a nice clean. Okay, now I'm going to show y'all what I like to do. So I be cheating a little bit. I like to cheat sometimes, right? So I have this Pat McGrath palette. Well, I have a couple of them, and I love her. Love her, love her, love her product. The shine on them is incredible, right? So I like to use her old mascaras. I'm sure we all have some products that we love that we continue to find other uses for when we're done. So I like to use it to go over my eyebrows and just, you know, make them a little potent, make them stand out a little bit more so they can be seen, of course. Let's darken them up a little bit. So I go back and forth just a little bit just to get some of it off, and I pull it up. Get those hairs a little stronger. In fact, we can do it to this side just a tad, okay? There we go. And that's how I like to get them eyebrows looking right, okay? Since my hair is doing its own thing, but that's how I like to get them eyebrows right. Now we can do our bottom lash and our lashes, okay? I like to use these lashes. I don't know if y'all like these. I love them or whatever. So I get these on Amazon, and they're mink lashes. It doesn't have a real special name on it. So, but they're mink lashes, and they're gorgeous. I don't feel like they overpower, and I don't feel like they overdoing it. So we're going to make her work tonight. Okay, so this is how I do this. Now, let's get that bottom lash done. So we're basically going to use the same colors we use on the top one here. Not the top one here. The top one here. Not here. Here. Not here. But here, we're going to put that right along here on the bottom half, and then we're going to pop our lash on, okay? All right, now that we have our line on at the bottom, you want to make sure that you go ahead and blend those shades. So I love to use this brush for a blending brush. I don't know if y'all can see it. So this is the brush. I love to use it for a blender. So we'll go here, and we're just going to blend that in. Hopefully y'all can see that really good. I try to get really close to the camera so that you can see the colors. And we just pull it outwards and dap it just a little. There you go. So it should look like that. I like to take that same black liner I use. I like to get in my eye. I know that y'all hate this part, but I don't know. It don't bother me. So hopefully y'all can jump in it with me and see. I like to take a little and put it here on the inside. Don't put too much pressure on your eye, okay? Because you don't want to mess up your makeup. Bring a little bit in here, and then I'll take a little bit of that liquid gold. Again, I like Kat Von D, but you guys can use whatever liquid. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and dip it in there, pull the eye down a little, and just add a little bit. And if you can go back, you can check this one too. Freshen mine up because I ain't doing them at the same time like y'all are. So now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and add our lash. Okay, let's get it going. All right, there we go, guys, and that is our finished look. You guys should have two fabulous eyes. Y'all are ready to go out for the night. We looking sexy now. Okay, so anything else y'all want to know? Let me tell you. I use the blush binder. Krayla, she did her thing. So basically I use a little orange under here and put a little red under there. I'll put red on the bottom, a little orange on the top. And now we're going to use our finishing powder. We're going to go over it with this little finishing powder all over the face. And after we go over it with the finishing powder all over the face, we're going to go ahead and add my spray mist. Keeps you looking moist and soft all night. Alright, my powder and my little face spritz to keep me looking moist. And I'm ready to go. I'm out this thing, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in with me. I should have another video up for you guys Thursday. So tune in, come check out your girl. Thank you for showing love. Please drop a comment, say something nice. Let me know what you think about the new channel. Bye. Listen, I had to add this part. I'm sorry. I forgot to tell y'all to make sure y'all put some mascara on that bottom lash. Because you see I did it on this one. I don't know how I left that out. But y'all know now. Don't forget to do both bottom lashes with some mascara. Because we need them eyes to pop, baby. Right? We need them to pop. So get it done. And check me out next time. Okay? Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Trae Ink, TRAINK 314. Because if you didn't know, I do tattoos as well. And I do have a makeup channel on Instagram also. So you can check that out. It's Trae Chic. Just check it out. Just put the name in. You see it already. So just follow it.